Witness the remarkable fortitude of these avian architects as a tempest descends. The horizon ignites, testing their resolve against the relentless whipping winds. Behold the Baya Weaver, the master architect of the grasslands. In this unforgiving wilderness, survival demands truly extraordinary engineering skills. Imagine building a fortress with absolutely no tools and no hands. This master builder meticulously strips grass, creating delicate threads of survival. Forget the machines of man. The Baya Weaver crafts a complex nursery using only wild grass. Observe this precision. It requires thousands of tireless journeys to succeed. This is no ordinary construction site. Here, the male weaver labors to impress the ultimate judge. A single loose thread and she will promptly reject his advances. This is no ordinary construction site. Here, the male weaver labors to impress the ultimate judge. A single loose thread and she will promptly reject his aganthis. This is no ordinary construction site. Here, the male weaver labors to impress the ultimate judge. A single loose thread and she will promptly reject his aganthis. Imagine your dream home seized by a bold intruder. Here, the weaver colony descends into absolute social chaos. Observe the master architect facing its greatest trial. Weeks of intricate weaving are now met with the fury of the heavens. Within this masterfully woven fortress, the small bird waits, sheltered from the onslaught of the storm. Observe the lone individual seeking shelter as the world turns cold and grey. Even amidst the great downpour, a sanctuary is found. In the hidden corners of the wild, we witness a master architect. With meticulous care, the dominant male reinforces the sanctuary for his mate. A tender display of affection, ensuring the survival of their precious lineage.
For more hidden stories of nature, subscribe to Ultimate Wildlife TV.